In the world of technology, giants often move in silence. Today, on January 2nd, 2026, a new quiet conflict begins, not for gadgets, but for the intelligence that will power our future. On one side, Nvidia, the king of AI chips, powering the revolution. On the other, Apple, the master of consumer tech, now realizing its future depends on AI. For years their paths rarely crossed, but now, industry whispers suggest a collision is imminent. This isn't a war of flashy launches. It's fought in secret labs, with strategic hires and billion-dollar bets. Apple, famous for controlling its products, faces a critical vulnerability. Its ecosystem's future depends on AI, and Nvidia holds the keys. Apple refuses to accept this dependency. The stakes? Whoever controls the best AI chips will set the pace for global innovation. AI is now the foundation for everything: healthcare, transport, entertainment, communication. Relying on Nvidia is a risk Apple can't accept. It's about survival, and who defines the next generation of smart technology. Nvidia has a massive head start and industry trust. Apple has resources, integration skills, and a drive to control its destiny. This isn't just business rivalry, it's a battle over how the future is built. The quiet war has begun, and its outcome will shape technology for everyone. It's odd to think of Apple as behind. This is the company that gave us the iPhone and redefined personal tech. Yet, in the AI race, Apple played the tortoise. Slow, cautious, focused on perfecting devices and services while the AI world exploded. Apple missed the seismic shift to big cloud-based AI models. Nvidia, meanwhile, saw its GPU's potential and invested heavily. Nvidia became the picks and shovels provider of the AI gold rush, building the tools everyone needed. Apple's secretive perfectionist culture kept it out of the open, collaborative AI community. While researchers shared breakthroughs, Apple stayed silent, missing out on the rapid progress. By the time generative AI and large language models took off, Nvidia was the undisputed engine of the new world. Apple, the world's most valuable company, found itself a follower, master of the device, but not the intelligence running on it. The tortoise had a lot of catching up to do, and the hare was already building the future. Apple's conservative approach, so successful in hardware, became a handicap in foundational AI. Nvidia's name was on every AI developer's lips. Apple was an observer, not a leader. Now, it's racing to close the gap. Nvidia's dominance isn't just about fast chips, it's about building a fortress. The first wall hardware, Nvidia's GPUs are engineered for the massive parallel calculations AI needs. CPUs are like a single smart person. Nvidia's GPUs are an army, solving problems together. But hardware alone isn't enough. The second wall is software. CUDA. CUDA lets developers unlock the full power of Nvidia's chips, becoming the industry standard. This created a powerful lock-in. Once you build with CUDA, switching is costly and difficult. It's like learning a language. If all the best books are in it, why switch? The AI world centered around Nvidia and CUDA, creating a virtuous cycle: more users, more value, more sales. Competitors couldn't break in. Even with fast chips, they lacked the mature software ecosystem. Nvidia wasn't just selling chips, it was selling a complete solution. The result, a fortress that seemed impenetrable. For years, all major AI research and development happened on Nvidia's platform. Breaking this dominance is Apple's biggest challenge. For Apple, dependency is unacceptable. Its history is built on controlling core technologies. Apple designs its own operating systems and processors. Vertical integration is its superpower. This allows seamless optimization and a unique user experience. Now, as intelligence becomes the most important feature, Apple can't rely on Nvidia for the core AI chips. Dependency means losing control over performance, innovation, and the user experience. There's supply chain risk. Any Nvidia disruption becomes Apple's crisis. There's strategic risk. Nvidia's main customers include Apple's biggest rivals. Apple would be forced to use the same tools as everyone else, erasing its edge. Most importantly, the next leaps in tech will come from deep AI integration. The company that designs hardware, software, and AI together will lead. If Apple doesn't build its own AI chips, it's outsourcing its future. For Apple, building its own AI chips isn't just strategy, it's survival. The decision is existential. Deep inside Apple Park, a secret initiative is underway. Project Q. Project Q is Apple's urgent answer to Nvidia's challenge. a comprehensive strategy to develop new AI processors. The first goal, specialized AI accelerators for Apple devices, far beyond today's neural engine. The aim? Powerful, on-device AI, faster, private, and more personal. Imagine a Siri that understands you instantly, or real-time translation on your device. The second goal, AI chips for Apple's own data centers, a direct challenge to Nvidia's core business. By designing server chips, Apple brings critical infrastructure in-house, gaining control over performance and security. This two-pronged approach is classic Apple: control the entire stack, from device to data center. Project Q is Apple's plan to build its own AI highway, ensuring its data and intelligence flow on infrastructure it owns. It's a massive, risky undertaking, but for Apple, it's the foundation for the next era. Project Q is Apple's declaration of independence in AI. The AI chips from Project Q are unlike anything Apple's built before. The A-series and M-series chips are versatile, but these new chips are specialized, surgical instruments for AI. Apple is hiring top engineers, even from Nvidia, to design chips that handle trillions of operations per second with minimal power. On-device AI needs efficiency. Data center chips need raw power and scalability. Apple's hiring spree shows deep commitment, building teams to rival the best in the world. It's not just about hardware. Apple is also investing in AI software and development tools. Like Nvidia's CUDA, Apple wants a seamless platform for its engineers and developers. These new chips are the brains of Apple's future ecosystem, designed from the ground up for intelligence. It's a shift from general purpose to specialized, intelligence-oriented computing. Apple's holistic approach, chip, software, and application in concert, is its best shot at challenging Nvidia. Apple's push into custom AI chips is urgent and deliberate. The world has reached an inflection point. AI is now essential across every industry. For Apple, smart devices are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. Competitors like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are racing ahead with their own AI hardware and services. If Apple relies on third-party tech, it will always lag behind, unable to innovate at the same pace. The definition of a killer app is changing. In the future, it's intelligence itself, seamless, predictive, and helpful. To deliver this, Apple must control the entire pipeline: data, models, and chips. The clock is ticking. The foundations for the next era are being laid now. Apple has a history of entering late and redefining markets. Can it do the same in AI? The challenge is immense, the competition fierce, but the risk of inaction is greater. Failing to lead in AI could mean losing its identity as the world's most innovative company. This is Apple's moment of truth. The stakes have never been higher. We're on the cusp of a great unsettling in tech. Nvidia built the engines of AI. Apple was a customer. Now Apple's Project Q threatens to upend this order. The looming conflict is more than market share. It's about defining the future of computing. If Apple succeeds, it could break Nvidia's near monopoly, spark competition, and validate its philosophy of vertical integration. A successful Apple AI chip line would force rivals to double down, reshaping the AI landscape. But the path is tough. Nvidia's head start and expertise are formidable. If Apple fails, it risks billions and its reputation. The next era's leaders will be those who build the best brains, not just the best devices. Apple's gamble will reshape the industry. Win or lose. The quiet war for AI supremacy has begun, and the world is watching.